Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I have a funny story to tell you today. So we went for the birthday meal, right guys? And what did I say in the last video guys? I said he'll do exactly the same thing at the pizza. And today he did. Christopher fucking Youngs had burp in my face, and as soon we were all eaten and me and Stuart got our meal, and Rain did, and Christopher did. And that chicken that he's got, that's bloody disgusting, guys. No wonder he eats weird stuff like that. Now, he fucking passed wind in front of the customers as well. People who were eating. Now that says it all to Mark Plume, aka Iron Bat. Now, today I had a really lovely meal, but apart from Christopher bloody Young's burping in my fucking face and farting in front of people. And this is gonna conclude this video. Like, subscribe, don't forget to press notification bell, and don't forget to share, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.